Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert Google Form responses into Google Sheets. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google application on my laptop, and if you want to convert Google Form responses into Google Sheets, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on this button. Then you have to scroll down until you find a Forms option, and this is the Forms option. You have to click on it. Then just wait for a moment. Okay, and you can filter your Google Forms. You can click on this option, then you can click on Owned by Me. Then just select the Google Form that you want to convert into Google Sheets. And for instance, I'm going to select this form. So you have to tap on the form. Then you can click on Responses right here. Okay, and just click on View in Sheets. Okay, and now the Google Form responses has been converted into Google Sheets. And if you want to download the forms, you just need to click on this three dots button. Then you can click on Download Responses. Alright guys, and that's how we can convert Google Form responses into Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.